Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's trace and paint them together. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. I for Indian, I for igloo. I is for island, surrounded by sea. J for jam, J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea. K for kangaroo, K for key. K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder, L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey. M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail. N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus. O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn. P is for plates, that you dry in a rack. Q for question. Q for queen. Q is for question, when you don't know why. R for radio. R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.